Dangling on a thread. Unraveling dangling modifiers. Hello learners! Today, we are diving deep into a fascinating topic in English grammar: dangling modifiers. By the end of this video, you'll understand what they are, why they can be confusing, and how to fix them. Let's get started. Before we delve into dangling modifiers, let's first understand what a modifier is. A modifier is a word, phrase, or clause that provides descriptive information about another word or group of words. Modifiers can add detail, clarification, or emphasis to your sentences. Examples include adjectives, adverbs, and descriptive phrases. For instance, the green ball bounced high. The ball bounced very high. Here, green and very are modifiers. When we say a modifier is dangling, we mean that it is not clear what the modifier is describing or modifying. Essentially, the word or words it's supposed to modify are missing or misplaced. For example, hoping to generate interest, the poster was put up by the club. Who was hoping to generate interest? The sentence makes it sound like the poster was hoping, which doesn't make sense. There are a few common scenarios that lead to dangling modifiers. 1. Starting a sentence with a modifying phrase, followed by the wrong subject. 2. Example: after working all night, exhaustion was overwhelming. 3. Misplacing the modifier so it's too far from the word it's supposed to modify. 4. Example: she almost drove her kids to school 5 days a week. It sounds like she nearly drove them, but didn't. The key to fixing a dangling modifier is to identify what the modifier is meant to describe and then rearrange the sentence accordingly. 1. Introduce the correct subject. 2. Incorrect. Hoping to generate interest, the poster was put up by the club. 3. Correct. Hoping to generate interest, the club put up the poster. 4. Rearrange the modifier to be closer to the word it modifies. 5. Incorrect. She almost drove her kids to school 5 days a week. 6. Correct. She drove her kids to school almost 5 days a week. Dangling modifiers can be tricky, but with practice, you'll spot and fix them with ease. Remember, the goal is clarity. Always ask yourself, is it clear what this modifier is describing? If not, rearrange and reword. We hope this video has shed light on dangling modifiers and how to address them in your writing. Keep practicing and happy learning.